Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about pest management of durian. Before we start, I will introduce my group. First, Johanes KS Matanari with student number 005. Next, Amalsya Ikarohmi with student number 077. Next, Noviana Kusuma Wardani with student number 107. Next, Dewi Istikomah with student number 137. Next, Serina Indira Mulyani with student number 198. And next, this is myself, Abil Milzam Syati with student number 229. Next.
Okay, the first is introduction of durian. Durian or Durian in Latin is the name of a fruit that came from Southeast Asia. Durian has a very pungent aroma and great demand by the people in the world and in Indonesia, of course. The species infest and parasitize parts of the durian trees to match their production capabilities and in some cases even kill them. Therefore, we should apply the correct pest management to prevent or control the attack of pests and diseases in durian trees. And the next, a morphology of durian. Durian is the large forest tree that reach height 37 meters, with the first branch as much as 18 till 21 meters off the ground. The alternate leaves are simple, lanceolate in shape. Durian flowers are complete or perfect. Durian fruit is characteristic for its large size, strong odor, and hard sound cover.
Next, pest in durian plant. First, fruit borer. The durian fruit borer, Mudaria magniplaga Walker, is the most important insect pest of durian, and the larva is known feed only on durian fruit. The caterpillars hatch from eggs laid on the husk by the female moth. External symptoms of fruit borer infestation include brownish faces and holes on the husk of the fruit. The holes are made by the caterpillars that bore into the fruit. Next, physillids. Physillids are small insects that suck plant juice. High physilid population reduce plant growth or cause terminal to distort, discolor, become gold, and or die back. Certain species, such as the olive and tepu physillids, can cause premature leaf drop. The agonia and preparatory physillids cause leaves to develop a pit around the spot where each nymph settles and feeds. Excessive honeydew excretion and wax secretions can also damage plant or property below the infest foliage.
Okay, next, mealybugs or Planococcus minor. Adult female mealybugs are white, about 3 mm long, and covered in a white mealy wax. Attacked by sucking the leaves and carrying sooty mold, later they move to the depression on the surface of the fruit or settle between adjoining fruit. Okay, next, shoothole borer or Xyloborus fornicatus. Shoothole borer is a tiny black or brown beetle which bore holes in the bark and feed on the cambium layer. It is particular significance to the subject of disease control in durian because it is associated with Phytophthora. Next,
pest management. Among other are fruit borer. Other sanitation measures also include keeping orchard clean, destroying infest fruit, and thinning excessive fruit set. Fallen fruit must be collected immediately and opened to kill the insect inside. Insecticides such as lambdacyhalothrin and deltamethrin prevent borer larvae entry at critical stage of fruit development, reduce infestation, and increase yield. Next, psyllids. Further control of severe infestation is obtained with thiamethoxam or lambdacyhalothrin, imidacloprid, and dinotefuran. Control is often achieved without the need to apply pesticide, as several predators, such as larvae and adults of coccinelles or ladypetal, larvae of chrysopid, or green lacewing, and spiders, and generally present. Water spraying can also provide some control, thus avoiding the use of pesticide.
Pest management of mealybugs. To control this pest, we can manipulate the environment so that it's suitable for all predators, such as lacewing, minute parrot peck, and spiders. Using sticky trap, trim or remove leaves containing a lot of eggs or a young mealybugs, removal of weeds, and the last step, spraying pesticide on the leaves with the basic ingredients of bifenthrin, chlorophyllose, deltamethrin, and pyrethroids. Next, pest management of shoot-hole borer. Host-plant resistance is the first step we can use because it's the most environmentally friendly and economically feasible method of control Xyloborus fornicatus and using like trapping to reduce adult population of Xyloborus, back the fruits 2 until 3 weeks, and the last option we can using insecticide such as DDT.
Okay, the last is conclusion. Durian is a native fruit of Southeast Asia. In durian cultivation, there are many pests and diseases that are at risk of attacking durian crops. Some of the main pests on durian are fruit borer, psyllids, mealybugs, and short-haul borer. To control these pests, we need to combine several types of control such as biological control, chemical control, using predator, apply correct time of planting, and then processing. But remember, chemical control, there is the last protection. Okay, remember, it's like a fungicide, insecticide, or pesticide. There is the last protection. Okay, okay. Thank you. There is our presentation. Sorry if there are many mistakes during the presentation. Okay, if there are any question, thank you.